I gotta find him. He's throwing up. Here, do it one more time. Go ahead.
And then you're videotaping it.
Ew. Let's see. Where is it? Ew, puke. Alright.
Okay, I'm ready now.
Nothing like tequila, champagne, beer, and whatever else you got
Cordon
going
bleu
on.
with ham,
Cordon
chicken,
bleu.
and broccoli.
And a wedding. That'd make me sick right there.
Hold on.
Wait.
I need to leave. FML.
FML?
Fuck my life.
Oh. Oh, God.
Caleb. What? You ready? Get on the phone.
What was that?
Get on the phone. Somebody.
Poor Caleb, always getting beat up by his older brother.
Yeah, he knows. He remembers. Yeah, he remembers you too. Yeah.
All right.
I'll be right there.